So very quickly I will show you all the things what I am carrying for the trek. I am carrying my cap, my selfie stick, power bank which is very much needed, my sunglasses, my earpods, my OnePlus charger wire, some packets for food, some khakra, a fruit. I'm also carrying some khichdi over here, sabudana khichdi which I have heated up, my water bottle, and this is the bag which I am carrying. I'm also carrying a pair of napkins. So I'm also carrying some wet wipes, some sunscreen and a scarf. So this is going to be very helpful during the trek. So it's currently 5:45 and I have started my journey. So we are leaving for the railway station and let's catch you up over there. So we took the early morning train to Panvel. I'm just waiting at the railway station for the train to come. You can opt for an auto, a local bus or an Uber to reach the Karnala Bird Sanctuary. We opted for an Uber from Panvel station to Karnala Bird Sanctuary. So we have made it to the Karnala Bird Sanctuary and this is the entrance. This is Mansi over here and we start our trek from here. So right at the entrance you have this beautiful flower garden and these are types of butterflies what you can see over here, and there are n number of flowers in the garden. So these are the birds over here. So we have finally reached the Karnala Bird Sanctuary. It's approximately 25 minutes to reach over here, and this is the entrance where we are going to start our trek from. So let's go. The board, and these are the types of birds which you can see on the trek while during the trek. So you can just take a screenshot or just pause the video and see the names of the birds which you can see over here. It's been approximately, you can say 30 to 35 minutes and we are pretty much going good. So you can see how old this tree must be. Just look at the branches. And this is the route where we have to head to. So we have stopped over here just for a minute and to address the silence and the noise of the birds. So I am going to do a 360 view and show you all, make you all hear the voice of the birds at the sanctuary. So you can hear the voice of the birds. It is so musical. During the trek there are these shades where you can take little bit of rest and continue your journey. So the trek till now looks pretty awesome, and the roads are a little tricky, but you can manage it. I am totally in love with the sun, with the sound of the birds and the nature all around. I am enjoying a lot. So I have come to the trek with my friend Mansi Oza. She also has her YouTube channel. I think you all must have seen us doing
Yes.
videos together a lot.
This is the first time Mamta is doing a trekking with me, and I think
Yeah.
it's her first trek, so I literally convinced her to come. And she's literally willing to do it, so I hope you're enjoying it.
I am enjoying. How is your experience? I mean, till now.
I loved it. I think this is a very good trek for the beginners, and it's very easy.
Yeah.
And all the boards are there, so I think it's, if you are starting with trekking, then this is a place you have to be.
Yes, totally agree. I mean, if you all are beginners and if you all are, doing a trek for the first time, I would highly recommend you all to start with Karnala, because the roads are pretty decent enough for beginners. And so far, so now we are enjoying it. So let's see our journey ahead. So during the travel, you will find these kind of boards which will help you in the journey, so you will not get lost. So it's very important to follow the arrows given on the trees during the journey. So you can look at the view. So this is the BTS when you travel with a YouTuber. So we are about to reach to our destination. You can see right behind me the Karnala Fort. So we have reached the temple. So this is the entrance temple towards the fort. So our journey has yet not ended. This is the route where we need to start and reach right up over there. So this is the entrance to Karnala Fort. I think the gate is newly installed. बट आई थिंक पुराने ज़माने में ऐसे ही गेट्स थे टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द एनिमीज. गाइस, फाइनली वी मेड इट टू Karnala Fort. So this is how the fort looks like. These are I think rooms where people used to stay earlier back in the days. Most of the structure is broken because it's quite old. These are water shelters. So पानी ऊपर से आता है ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन, एंड ये वाटर वेल्स के अंदर जमा हो जाता है. सो दीज आर ऑल वाटर स्टोरेज. So this is the view from the mountain. You can see the highway. So guys, we made it to the Karnala Fort. So you can see the 360 view from here. Yay!
Yay!
We have stopped in the midway. We are just taking some rest and had some water. And after some time, we will again start our descent. It is actually too hot over here. And I think अब तक मैं शायद से 3 या 4 बार गिरी होंगी. Actually, the sand is too slippery. And I have actually fallen down, touch wood, not that badly and not that worst. But yes, I have fallen, I think, 3 times or 4 times till now. But now I'm just taking some rest and we will again start our descent. Guys, we are having Alphenlibe over here and trying to gain some energy for the descent. Guys, we have legit come in this hot sun over here. So please हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. हमने बहुत मेहनत लिया है यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट, लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब सब कुछ कर देना क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत लगी है यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. Right at the descent point, you have this food counter for refreshments where you can, just come and have some food. We have just ordered some vada pav, water and sweet lime, limbu pani. And we're just going to have that and rest for some time. We finally ended our journey over here. We have completed the trek. I think it is approximately,
Almost 1:30.
Approximately 1:30 and it was a wonderful experience. I am super tired. I am literally going to just go have a bath and rest the whole day. Mansi, how was your experience over here?
I think it was very good. The trek is very simple, and the best part is that they have put in signs and the steps are defined.
Yes,
so
yes.
You can easily find your way around till the fort, and there is no, problem of getting lost and trying to figure out the way. So I think it's much better.
I think we covered the whole trek, I think, in just 2 hours. I think 2 hours. And that also we took so much of photos and content, during
but
the
we
whole
took
journey.
2 hours to go and obviously 1.5 hours to come back.
Yeah.
But we took a lot of photos.
A lot of photos.
If you're not doing that, you will finish the trek much faster than us.
Yes. So if you want to see our photography and some beautiful reels, please do go ahead and follow us on our Instagram handles. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करो. हमने बहुत मेहनत किया हुआ है ये ट्रैक के लिए. बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं, बहुत सारा धूप बेला हुआ है. So
we've given all the information. So anything you need to know, you can just let us know in the comment section.
According to me, I think only the descent was a little tricky for me, especially.
Yeah.
And overall experience was wonderful.
Yes.
If you like this video, if you found this trekking experience wonderful with us, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. eat, travel, fun, and life of Mamta. So see you soon. Till then,
Bye. Bachche rahe yaar.
take care. Bye.